Hello dear students, welcome back to Grammar Enhancer. In today's video we are going to discuss about the remaining sentences of direct and indirect narration. It is the part B of our previous video. So let's get started. Start with interrogative sentences. The sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Every interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Example: do you live here? Have you ever watched Terminator 3rd? Is it raining? To convert interrogative sentences into indirect speech, follow the following rules. S. No. Questioning. Structure: subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. The reporting verb said to is changed into asked, then if whether is used in place of that. If the reported speech has interrogative word like who, when, how, why, when, the structure be WH word plus subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. A period is placed at the end of the sentence instead of a question mark. Example like he said to them, are you reading? Then indirect will he asked them if they were reading. Direct, they said to me, haven't you seen this movie? Indirect will, they asked me whether I hadn't seen that movie. Direct speech, I said to him, what are you doing here today? Then indirect will, I asked him what he was doing there that day. Now look at the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences. The sentences that expresses our feelings, emotions are called exclamatory sentences. Exclamation marks are used at the end of an exclamatory sentences. Hooray, we won the match. Alas, he failed the test. How beautiful that dog is. What a marvelous personality you have. Examples: he said, hooray, I have won the match. Then indirect will, he exclaimed with joy that he had won the match. She said, alas, my brother failed in the test. She exclaimed with sorrow that her brother had failed in the test. Come to the optative sentences. Expresses a hope, prayer, or wish. Usually there is an exclamation mark at the end of an optative sentence. Sentences like may you succeed in the test, may you get well soon, would that I were rich. Examples like he said to me, may you live long. He, then indirect will, he prayed that I might live long. She said, would that I were rich. She wished that she had been rich. Let's look at the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give an order or direct command. These sentences may come in the form of advice, appeal, request, or order. Either a period or exclamation point is used at the end of the sentence depending on the forcefulness of the speaker. Examples: shut the door, please shut the door, repair the door by tomorrow. The reporting verb is changed according to the reported speech into order if the sentence gives a direct command. Examples: direct speech, the teacher said to me, shut the door. Indirect will, the teacher ordered me to shut the door. The reporting verb is changed according to the reported speech into request if the sentence makes a request. He said to me, shut the door. Indirect will, he requested me to shut the door. Example, he said to me, you should work hard to pass the exam. Indirect will, he advised me that I should work hard to pass the exam. The reporting verb is changed according to the reported speech into forbid if the sentence prevents someone for doing something. Direct speech, he said to me not to smoke. He forbade me to smoke. We said to him, mind your own business. We urged him to mind his own business. She said to him, consult a doctor. She suggested him to consult a doctor. Let's look at some examples. Direct, they said they take a walk every day. Indirect will, they said that they took a walk every day. There are a lot of examples you can practice with. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and see you in next video.